Okay, we're explaining a little bit more about the Sentry's new locking cinch buckle. This is similar to our existing cinch buckles where you simply loop the product through, loop the buckle through, or the strap through, you pull it tight right around our products. But in this case, we have a nice new flap that snaps over the top. You lock it down in place. It's locked in. And unless you have tools or you want to cut the strap, it'll make it very, very resistant to anybody coming in and taking the product. It's locked up and ready to go.